Kai? Say go Gators, beat Vandy. Say no problem. No problem. Hi there. Hi there. Hey bear. He says, hey, cut it out. Oop. What happened? Isn't that driving you crazy? Yeah, just a little bit. You drive me crazy. You're here every day. I never get a break. That's what Kai says. He says, who are you? I see you all the time. I don't even know you. Just kidding. You know me. You know me. We're twins. Twins. Hey, little boo. Hey, little boo. What's up there? You're mobile. You're mobile? Hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. You look great today. You do. Okay, you have a good Saturday now, and I love you.